of the classes is going to be a game, and the game we are playing is called Whoosh. For this game you will need everybody standing in a circle. In level 1 of Whoosh there are going to be 4 movements: whoosh, boing, jump, and 3 musketeers. For the movement or action whoosh, it looks like this: whoosh or whoosh. Now whoosh passes the moves around the circle, so you can either pass to your right or pass to your left. It cannot be passed to anyone across the circle. The second movement is boing. Now boing is used to rebound the direction of the movement. So if this person here has passed a whoosh to me, I will use my opposite arm, the move comes across my body, and say boing to rebound the movement. I'm using the inside of my arm to boing. Likewise, if it's coming from this direction, it comes across my body and I say boing and use the inside of this arm to rebound this way. The third movement is a jump, and the jump is used to skip people. Now you can do a single jump or a double jump. So for the single jump, you jump loudly, making a sound when you land, and it skips the person next to you. So if there are 2 people standing here to my left, I jump, it will skip the person next to me and go to the next person. The alternative is a double jump. This will skip both those people and go to the third person. The final move for level 1 is 3 musketeers, and this requires everybody to find a group of 3. So if it's my turn, I can yell out 3 musketeers, and the 2 people next to me can come into a group of 3 and you do a pose. It can be any pose that you like. Now for this move, if there is an uneven number of 3 in your group, anybody who is not in a group of 3 will be out. If there is an even number of 3s, then the last group of 3 will be out. And if there are only 3 people left and someone calls 3 musketeers, then it is the last person to get into the group that will be out. Now for whoosh, you'll keep playing the game until you only have 2 people left. So people can get out in several ways. They can get out by saying the wrong word, doing the wrong action, or the 3 musketeers. When there are 2 people left, we go into what's called a showdown. For the showdown, the last 2 people will stand back to back, so the other person will be behind me, and they will walk away slowly while the teacher or somebody else in the group tells a story. In this story there will be a code word. So for example, the code word might be burpee. I, the teacher, would call out the story, and when they hear the word burpee, they must turn around and do a burpee. The last person to do a burpee is out, making the other person the winner. So a story, for example, could be, we were all here doing a movement workshop. There were lots of actions being performed, such as running and hopping and skipping and sliding and burpees. And that is when they would do the burpee and have the final showdown. And that will be how you find your winner.